You can do this in your phone. All you need to do is watch the video till the end. This is Snapseed. I'm doing this in my phone. So what is the need for light effect? We can make 3D object or we can make it more realistic. So it is damn easy. All you need to do is clicking on tools and then brush effect. Then go for exposure. Now as you can see in this image, the light is coming from left side. I'll do the same task but from opposite direction.
Let me tell you about the use of exposure. It works like a sunlight. In this, there are 4 layers. 1.0 is the lightest one. Hope you got the working. Enjoy the video.
Most of the people says that the tutorials are not that effective, but believe me, if you'll try it, you'll learn it. Now it's done. If you can see in this image, there is a minor detailing of shine. Now, let me tell you about its basics or how I did it. First of all, when we have to make something 3D, we have to keep in mind about the light and shadow. Through exposure, I have given the light and blended it by the layers. Now I'm just giving it a finishing touch by seeing the layers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me about it in the comment section. Do you like it or not? If you like it, please share it and subscribe. Also share if you wanna see how I did it in my phone.